Top Discord bots you need on your Discord server. Firstly, go to your web browser and type in Me6 Discord bot. Click on the first link that's available and select the option Add to Discord. When you click on Add to Discord, then another page will appear. Here you will see the terms and conditions of the bot. Make sure that you read each of them. Scroll down to the very bottom and select the option Authorize. If you do that, then it will get connected to your current Discord. This is a very beginner-friendly Discord bot. It offers auto moderation, welcome messages, labels, custom commands, and much more. The second one is Dyno. Go to the search bar on the top and type in Dyno Discord bot. Again, click on the first link that appears. To link this to your Discord, again follow the same process. Dyno is also a very powerful moderation and management bot trusted by millions of Discord servers. It helps in auto moderation, time bans, and announcements. The last one is Hydra. Search for Hydra Discord bot and click on the first link that appears. Hydra supports multiple music sources including Spotify, YouTube, SoundCloud, and Deezer. Users can queue songs, skip tracks, loop playlists, and shuffle directly within the voice channels. That's all for today. Thank you.